So we always begin and start at the terminus. So using your 3 biggish fingers, where the clavicle is, you're just going to get your fingers in that area there. And we're just kind of, whichever's easiest for you, you can use the 3 or you can just use the 2 if it's easier for you. But I tend to just bend my fingers up so they're kind of level with each other. So between the neck and the terminus, and what we're going to do, and remembering you were taught that the pressure is very important, the rhythm is very important, and the direction is very important in what we do. So we've got the ducts that run through down into the lymphatic system for taking away the waste. We're going to be pumping in that direction, and you're going to do 5 pumps. So remembering it's fairly light, you're just stretching almost the top layer or so of the tissue, and you're going to do that in groups of 5. So we can do 5 there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, what we're going to do, we're going to bring the arm into an elevated position. You're going to wrap your fingers around the whole of the arm there, and almost like milking a cow, I suppose, or a goat. Just a nice pumping action. Again, I'm not squeezing too tight. It's a light squeeze, but it's a stretch downwards and a release. So as I stretch down, I kind of release. So I'm just doing that a tad bit slower so you can see the stretch, and then I take my hands off a little so the skin just bounces back on its own. And we can take this actually right up into the hand, which is really nice as well. So again, to do the backs of the legs, almost exactly the same as you've done the front. You want to do all areas of the back of the leg. So you do the inside of the leg first, get your mittens in there, and you're going to pump down and up. So it's just a little stretch downwards before you pump upwards towards those inguinals. Let me just move that towel a little bit better for you so you can see my fingers. And we do all the inside of the leg, and again you will do that twice with your 5 pumps. Then we can come to the top of the leg. Again, we can use our hands that way, or we can use our hands that way, whatever you're comfortable with. And we can do the outside.